Here click on AICinematic VFX Studio. You can select any of these templates from template library. You can also import your templates. You can change the background. You can select any of these sizes. Click on Elements. You can select any of these elements, and you can set it inside the template. Click on Images. You can select any of these Pixabay image and also you can select any of these Pexels images. And set it inside the template. Click on Videos. You can select any of these Pixabay videos and also you can select from Pexels. Click on Audio. You can select any of these audios. Click on QR code. You can select fill color, background color, rounded corners, label size, label positions X and Y, and click to generate QR code button. You can set it inside the template. Then click on download button. You can download it in any of these formats. Thanks for watching the video.